Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone 8 and replace home button. To disassemble iPhone 8 you need the following tools: screwdriver set, tweezers and opening plastic tool, plastic mediator, suction cup for removing display. In description of this video I left links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the lighting port. Display glued around perimeter of iPhone, and we need to hit the surface of iPhone for open it. Apply the suction cup near home button and pull up on the ring. Next, push the plastic mediator between the display and iPhone case. From this position, evenly and slowly open the display around the perimeter of iPhone. The iPhone case opens like a book. Open the display to the right. Next, using a Phillips PH00 screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws and remove the metal panel. First, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard, and after that, remove the 2 display cables. Next, unscrew the 3 screws and remove the metal panel in the upper case of iPhone. Disconnect the front camera cable from the motherboard. To remove the Touch ID sensor from the display module, you need a tri-wing 0.6 mm screwdriver. Unscrew the 4 screws and remove the metal panel. Disconnect the Touch ID sensor cable from the display module. This should be done very carefully. Now, very carefully, tear the cable of Touch ID sensor from the display panel. Press on the button and remove it from the front side of display. In description of this video I left link where you can buy new Touch ID sensor or home button. You should know that the Touch ID function will work the original button that was installed from the factory in your iPhone. Any other button will not work as a Touch ID, only as a home button that is returned to the main screen. Install the button and connect it to the display cable. Install the metal panel and fasten 4 screws. Remove the old glue from the iPhone case. Also remove the adhesive from the display module. After that, wipe the surface of iPhone case and display module. Now take adhesive tape and apply to the case of iPhone. With this tape you save waterproof resistance of the iPhone. Also, I'll leave a link to this adhesive tape in description. Connect two display cables and front camera cable to the motherboard of iPhone. Install the metal panels and fasten the screws. Then connect the battery cable. Now close the iPhone case and press down the display around the perimeter of iPhone. Fasten the two screws near the lighting port. Now you can turn on the iPhone and use it.